Hi everyone, my name is Ed Winning with Oak Mortgage. I'm here with Vic from Universal Credit Services. Vic, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I've been reporting credit to the banks and mortgage lenders for over 25 years. I grew up in the industry, which is a story for another day, but that is my background, just dealing specifically with the lenders and obviously their customers to share the right information about their credit and credit reporting and obviously credit scoring.
And Universal Credit Services happens to be one of the vendors that we use here at Oak Mortgage to run people's credits. And one of the biggest problems that we're seeing, Vic, with people when we first meet them is they don't want their credit scores ran because they have this misconception that every time that their credit score is ran, that their points are being deducted off of their FICO score.
Sure. And you're right. You hit it right on target with that word about misconception. Everybody has that fear of their credit report being pulled, and we need to get people to overcome that fear. And the reason they have such a fear of their credit report being accessed is they probably went online, pulled a copy of their credit report from maybe one of the free sites, or even if they paid for it today to get their credit score or even their FICO score. But there's varying models. So those online scores can and probably will vary 30 to 100 points from the lender-specific model, which is approved by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac in those industries. So people need you to pull their credit. When you pull their credit, they're getting their true lender-specific mortgage score. And that's what they need to know. If an inquiry impacts a score, it's 2 to 5 points. That's it. And in most cases, it'll have zero impact on their credit score.
Great. Because we're all hearing nowadays that the Consumer Finance Protection Board wants people to go out and shop. But they're all very, very concerned about, well, if I go to 3 different lenders, I'm going to get hit 30, 40, 50 points. That's just not true nowadays.
Correct. Absolutely not. And, they need to do their due diligence. I think it's proactive to shop around a bit, within reason. And then again, when you find that right person who just seems to be sharing the right information with you, the right benefits, you've got to pull the trigger today and let them pull your credit profile. Inquiries within a certain time period will count as one. A lot of people will say 30 days. I kind of like to keep it within a 14-day time period,
right? Because
creditors will update in the beginning and the end of the month. So the variation of when that credit report is pulled within the month could yield different results because your score is not attached to your credit report. Okay, your score is generated at the point in time the information is funneled through that
right.
Scoring model.
Great. Well, that's some good information. Hopefully that clears up the misconception about your FICO score being penalized by having inquiries. Vic, appreciate it very much. Thank you and have a great day.
Enjoy yours.